Hello guys, I welcome you to today's training. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a courier tracking website, okay? Wait, how to create a courier tracking delivering website, okay? That has a live tracking map, okay? A live tracking and also a map, okay? And this website has the ability to automatically generate tracking number, okay? It has the ability to generate tracking number for you, and when people do their live tracking, they are going to see all the details that you have entered from the admin, okay, and also see a map on the tracking page, okay. And you can charge your client between 250k to 500k to design this kind of site, and you can also charge $250 to $1,000 to design this kind of site for your clients. Okay, you can see how beautiful this site is, you can see how slicky and how responsive it is. Okay, so you don't need to write a single line of code, you're not programming a single line of code, and even if as a newbie you can get this done, okay, within an hour you'll be able to set this up, okay, for your clients, and make a good amount of money from it. Okay, so that will show you how to do that. Okay, so let me quickly log into the administrative end, okay, to show you what this site looks like. Okay, so let me quickly do that. All right, maxtel/admin. Okay, all right, let me quickly log into my administrative end to quickly show you how the tracking works, what the features looks like. Okay, so let me quickly do that. Sorry for that. Let me put in the right password. Awesome, awesome. So let me copy one of these tracking number and track this parcel or shipment. Okay, so let me quickly track this. All right. So what you have to do, just put in the track number, okay, then track. All right, when you click on track, you can see this is the shipping details information. Okay, this is the tracking number, this is the sender's details, this is the receiver's details. Okay, this is the dispatch location, okay, the current courier status, this particular parcel has been picked up. You can see the dispatch date, the estimated delivery date, and also the current location. Okay, you can see also the map. It looks like a world map. Okay, so you can see how awesome and beautiful this site is. So let me quickly show you how to add this tracking. If you want to add a tracking, okay, what you have to do is just put in the name. Let's say for the contact details, let's say we want to put in the contact details, you can use this for the contact details. Then for this section, you put in this sender's email. Same goes with the sender's address. Okay, so let's say Dubai. Okay, let's say Dubai for the sender's address. Okay, for the status, you can let's say on hold. Okay, then the dispatch port, you can use India. Okay, same goes for the receivers. Okay, once you have to put in the receiver's name, let's say you want to use James. Okay, for the receiver's name, for the receiver's contacts, just put the receiver's contacts. Okay, that's the phone number. Okay, so same goes for the receiver's email and also the address. Okay, so let's use Japan. Okay, for the dates, the dispatch dates, you can use for the month, let's say 07 day. The date is 14th and year 2022. Okay, estimated dates, month 07th, let's say 15th, let's say 15th year 2022, right? So once you've done that, just quickly click on add. Okay, just click on add. Awesome, you can see new tracking added successfully, right? So once you've added that, you can see you can see that. So this is the tracking number that we just created. So let's just open this. You can see. So let's try tracking this. Firstly, copy the tracking number, then come over to our site. Let's go over to our site. Okay, then click on track. Let's impute this, then track this. Okay, let's track this quickly. Awesome, awesome. You can see this is the sender's name, this is the receiver's name that we just imputed. Okay, this is the dispatch location, India, the status on hold, estimated time. You can see how responsive and awesome and beautiful this site is. Okay, so that's it. Probably want to probably let's say you want to change or edit a feature for this tracking. You can probably come over to the update section. Let's say you want to change the status from on hold to arrive. Okay, once you've done that, just quickly click on update. You can see updated successfully, right? So let's quickly track this one more time. Let's quickly track this one more time. All right, then click on track. All right, so let's check that out. Awesome. You can see the courier status arrive. Awesome. You can see we have been able to see how this particular setting work. Okay, how the admin can be able to add details, how the admin can be able to modify changes, tracking details, and the rest of them. Okay, so that's how you go about it. Okay, so to design this kind of sites, the first thing you normally do is to purchase your domain your domain name and hosting, and I always recommend them cheap. Okay, for your domain name and hosting. So what you have to do is just come over to your domain here, your domain section. This is the section. So type in the name that you want to use for your domain, right? Let's say you want to use landship.com, translandship, sorry, dot com. Let's say this is the name that I want to use for our domain names. So once I've done that, just click on search. Alright, so when you click on search, when let's view an item, let's view these items. Okay, let's delete this. I didn't add this yet. Okay, so only the domain name will cost you $7. Okay, so once you've done that, next thing you have to do is to add your hosting. Okay, just click on shared hosting, then you can go for the first one. Okay, you can go for this. Okay, so once you've done that, just quickly click on add to cart. Okay, add this to your cart. Okay, you can see this is the confirmation session where you're about to make payments. Okay, so just go ahead to confirm payments. When you click on confirm order, you'll be directed to a session where you put your payment card and the rest of them, mode of payment that you want to use to make payments. Okay, so if you need us to assist you to get or probably you're facing any challenges and you need my help to purchase this domain name and hosting for you, just chat the number displayed on the screen. Okay, so I can help you save the stress and get this done for you immediately. Okay, so that's how you go about it. Okay, we are here to make your work so easy. Okay, so once you have done that, your name chip will give you your login details. That's your username and password. Once you sign into your cPanel, this is what the interface looks like. This is what your cPanel interface looks like. Okay, so what you then do is quickly come over to your file manager section. The file manager section, just open it, quickly open that. Sorry for that. Good. This is what the file manager section looks like. Okay, so just come over to your public underscore HTML. Okay, let's reload this, please. Let's reload this. Awesome. So just come over to your public underscore HTML. Never mind, don't worry about all these things. The reason why you're seeing all these details is because I have is a site currently running on my public underscore HTML. That's the reason why you're seeing all these details. But in your own, this will be blank. Okay, so just this script that I'll be giving you guys, upload directly to your public underscore HTML. Okay, if you're doing this for your clients, upload directly to your public underscore HTML. But this I'm doing this for a particular purpose, and I already have something like a subdomain that I created for it. So I'll go ahead to upload this on my subdomain. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on upload. All right, then click on select file. Trustland. All right, this is the file. This is the file. Don't worry. By the end of this video, I will tell you how you can get access to this file. I'll give you access to this script. Okay, the softwares that you use to design this kind of sites. Okay, so that's it. To design these sites, everything has been done. Okay, everything has been done. What you have to do is just follow my step. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, to design something awesome like this, it can take you 6 months or even a year, yet you might not even get something so responsive and beautiful like this. Okay, but the work has been done for you already. Okay, so what you have to do is just follow my step and get this done. Okay, it doesn't take time. So our script is still loading. As our script is loading, let's quickly go ahead and create a database for this script that we are uploading. Okay, so search for wizard, my SQL wizard, right? Or just type wizard. Okay, it will appear. Then click on my SQL database wizard. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to put in the what is it called, the name you want to use for your database name. Okay, that's the database name. So I want to use delivery. I want to use delivery DB for my database name. That's the name I want to use for my database. Same goes for the user. Let me use delivery user, right? So let me quickly generate a password for that. Make sure you copy your password. Make sure you copy this out. You can paste this somewhere, probably on your notepad. Okay, so let me quickly paste this here. All right, I'll then take this. I've copied my password. Okay, then click on create user. Once you've done that, please make sure you copy these details. Make sure you copy these details because you configure this after you have uploaded your scripts. There's a section where we need to configure this. So make sure you copy that and paste that on your notepad. So once you've done that, just go ahead and tick all these privileges, then click on next step. Awesome. We have successfully created our database. Okay, so let's check if our file has finished uploading. Also, you can see this has finished uploading. So let's click on the back button. All right, let's go ahead to upload the SQL file of this database that we just created. Okay, so search for phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin, that's where you upload the SQL file of the database. Okay, so you can see this is the database that we created. Click on it. Awesome. Then go ahead and click on import. Then click on choose file. Um, Let me search for the name. Where is the name? The name, my SQL. Oh. Alright, this is the SQL. Alright, so I've been able to open that. Once you've done that, just click go. Awesome. I've successfully imported my SQL. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead to extract this file. Let's quickly go ahead to extract this file. Alright, so make sure you delete this. Just delete this. Delete. Alright, so let me open this. This is the main zip file. So you make sure you extract this. I want to make sure you extract this. While extracting this, extract directly to your public underscore HTML. But this is where my own domain name is. This is my location, so I will extract this file on this domain, my subdomain. Okay, so I successfully extracted that, so I can go ahead to delete this. I can go ahead to delete this. Alright, you probably still have access to your SQL. Okay, this is the SQL file. So let me delete this. I've already downloaded mine, but for yours, you make sure you have downloaded it. Okay, so once you have done that, let me quickly open this. Let me delete this folder. Awesome. Alright, let me move all these files to my to my subdomain. Okay, make sure you move to your public underscore HTML. Okay, so don't forget that. I'll quickly click on move files. Okay, so let me open this up. Awesome. You can see we have been able to move our files to our domain name, our subdomain. Okay, so let me quickly open up. The next thing you have to do is to configure your dp.php. Okay, just click, then click on edit. Very easy. So what you have to do is to just come over to this section. Just be careful. Just edit for the db username. Just edit this. You edit, then paste your own, copy your own username. Hope you have seen that. Same goes for the database. Okay, just copy that. Then delete. Sorry for that. Okay, so you delete, then paste your db username, right? So for the password, follow the same step. Copy your password. This is our password. Then delete. Then paste your password. Okay, so once you've done that, just quickly click on save changes. Alright, then click on close. Alright, we have successfully configured our db.php. So let's quickly load our site. Okay, let's load this site. Let's load our site. So it will be shipping.com. That's it. Awesome. Boom. Awesome. You can see. Oh my god, I love this. You can see how beautiful, how sleek this site is. Awesome. This is really cool. Okay, this is really awesome. So when you click on track, okay, let's try this. Let's track this. Awesome. Also, you can see everything is working fine. Everything is working fine. All right, so let's quickly log into my admin. Let me quickly log into the admin. Okay, so to log into your admin, it will be your domain name /admin. All right, so let me quickly show you how to retrieve the admin password. Just come over to your PHP admin. Okay, just click on it. Then double click on the admin. You can see this way view your admin username and password, so you can go ahead to edit this. Okay, so that's how you log in or retrieve your admin details, right? So let me go ahead to log into my admin section, then click on sign in. So let me close this, let me cancel out from this. Awesome. So you can see I've already shown you guys how to track. Okay, if you want to track a particular parcel or shipment, right? So you can see that. Okay, you can see that it's very easy to do. So the next thing I'll be showing you guys, let me show you how to edit. You might wonder how, probably if you want to edit the sites, how are you going to do that? Don't worry, I will show you how to get it done. Okay, just follow my step. It's very easy. So let us open up our site once more. Okay, so you might ask yourself, how, if you want to edit this, how are you going to do about it? If you want to edit everything on this site, how are you going to go about that? But that's not a challenge. I will show you how to edit everything that is on this site. Okay, I'll show you how to edit everything that is on this site. Okay, so don't bother yourself about that. Okay, don't bother yourself about that. Alright, so let's start with the logo. Okay, so if you want to change the logo, what you have to do is just right click on the logo, copy the image address. Okay, then open this on a new tab. Alright, so you can see this logo is residing of our file manager or one of our folders called assets. Okay, the assets, under assets ing slash logo, right? So this is where our logo is residing. So what you do is you quickly come back to your file manager section, okay, on the folder section, then open up assets, under assets ing. Okay, so and the name of the logo is logo 1, right? So what you do is just quickly open that up. Let's place our logo 1, sorry, logo.png, right? This is it. So you can go ahead to delete this. Okay, but make sure you already have your logo that you want to add. Okay, so I already have a logo that I want to add, so I'll go ahead to upload my logo. Okay, so I'll quickly open up my select file. Alright, this is my logo. Okay, so I'll go ahead to open this. Alright, so I've been able to open that, so I have to make sure you name it. Your logo must be in the directory. Okay, in that directory. Okay, this is the directory, this is the original directory, so you must make sure it must be in that same name. Okay, unless it will work. All right, so you have been able to do that. Let's quickly do that for the footer logo too. I believe there's a footer logo somewhere. Okay, this is the footer logo, so let's quickly copy that, copy the image address, let's paste this, But before we paste that, let's try to refresh this to see if our logo has been able has changed. Let's check if this has changed. Also, you can see it has changed. Okay, so let's also do same for the footer logo, right? All right, so this footer logo is residing under asset ing, same location too. Okay, for this footer you can see the name, so let's quickly go ahead to change that immediately. All right, so let me quickly, sorry, okay, let me just copy the name. Let me just copy the name. Okay, all right, so let me go ahead to delete this too, because I also have my logo that I want to upload. So I'll go ahead to delete, skip trash, then quickly click on upload. All right, yes, I want to use this same logo for it. Okay, this is it. So I'll quickly rename this. Rename. Awesome, awesome. So let's now try to reload this. Okay, let's reload this. All right, so it takes time. It takes time before everything will propagate, but just quickly, just click on Control F5. Okay, when you click on Control F5, is for hard fresh. Okay, it's for hard fresh, hard refresh. This will refresh now. Okay, you can see it's still loading. Everything will change. Okay, so just take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Awesome. You can see it has changed. You have been able to change this. Let's check the footer logo if that also changed. Let's check if that also changed. Okay, it's still loading. It's still loading. Let's give it some time. It's still loading. All right, it's still loading, but you can see it has also changed. It has also changed. All right, so let's try to edit the home page of this site. If you want to edit the pages, you can see we have the home page, we have the about page, we have the services page, we have the news page, and the contact page. So you might wonder, how can I be able to edit this? Okay, and also you can see Trustland, blah, blah. So we want to edit this to our company's name, that's Master Industries, right? So let me show you how you can quickly edit this. Okay, so so to get this done, just quickly, okay, once more, follow the same process to also, if you want to change this logo, same way we change the logo, the site logo, that's same way you can change the image on this site. Okay, same way you can change the email on this site. It's very easy. So let's quickly change the home page name. Okay, we don't want Transland anymore. We want our company name to be displaying. Same goes to the site name. Okay, we don't want this to be showing Transland. So let me quickly show you how to do that. Okay, so what you do is just click on home. Just click on home. All right, so this is our home page. Okay, you can see the this you can see the location for the home page. This is the index.html. Okay, so to edit the home page, just quickly open up your file manager, then search for the html dot sorry index.html. Okay, um that's where the home page is residing. Okay, so let's reload this. Let's open this. Okay, let's scroll down. Alright, this is index.html. Okay, so just quickly click on edit. Okay, alright, so what you do is just click on Control F. Okay, click on Control F, then type in the trustland. Alright, you can see the page title. That's the page title. What we have here is trustland, so we are going to change that to the name that we want to use. Just click on this plus icon, then wherever we see trustland, we want to replace that with Maxtel Industries. Oh, sorry, so sorry for that. Maxtel. Okay, so wherever we see trustland, we want to replace it with Master Industries, right? So let's just what to do is just quickly click on replace. So imagine when you have thousands of lines of codes, so just use this feature to replace your sites immediately. Okay, so that's what you do. Okay, it's all about smart work. Utilize your time so you can use that to make more money. Okay, so we have changed that. Okay, same goes for the phone number. Let's say you want to edit this phone number, the phone number, and also the custom mail. Okay, that's the company's mail. Okay, so let me quickly show you how to create a company mail. Okay, so to create a company mail, just open up your cPanel. Okay, just open up your email. Okay, email account. This is how to create a professional email. Okay, or custom email. Just come over to create. All right, let me say I want to use info at Maxtel Industries. So let me quickly generate a password for this. Okay, I want to use this, so let me go ahead and click on create. Awesome, I've successfully created my custom email. Okay, so let me copy this, just let me highlight this, then copy. Okay, so let me quickly, so let's change the custom mail. Just search for info. All right, so you can see it has automatically appeared. So just quickly edit this. Maxtelindustry.limited.com. Okay, so I need to make sure I copy that. Copy. Okay, so I need to also edit that here. Awesome. Hope you have seen that. Same goes for the phone number. If you want to edit this, just edit the phone number. Okay, and also the address. Okay, also edit the address. It's very easy. Okay, same goes for the, let's say you want to edit the copyright 2022. Okay, it's up to date. So that's how you quickly do that. Okay, so once you're done with it, just you can go ahead and close this and click on save changes. Sorry for that. Let me check my network. Okay, it was a network issue, so just once you've done that, click on save changes. Okay, then click on close. All right, so let's try reloading our site. Let's see. Boom. Hope you have seen that. Okay, let's reload that. It's still coming up. Let's, oh, what's wrong with my network? Boom. Hope you have seen that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is awesome. Hope you have seen that. Our email has changed. We have been able to change our email. And also, let's check the names too. Oh, this is wonderful. Hope you have seen that. We have been able to change the company's mail from Trustland to Maxtel Industry. So we have been able to replace that immediately within few minutes. Okay, within few minutes we have been able to replace that. You can see before it was 2022 Trustland, now it's showing Maxtel Industry. This is really awesome. Okay, Maxtel. So that's how you also do it. That's how you also do it. Edit these details. Okay, it's very, very easy. Through the same process, through the same procedure to edit these details. Okay, it's very, 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 very easy. Okay, so that's for the home. If you want to edit the about us page, same process. You can see this about us page is located at the domain name / about.html. So what you do is just quickly open up your cPanel, your cPanel file manager. So let's quickly open that up. So let's quickly search for that file manager. Right, these are file managers. Right, let me open up my subdomain. This is my subdomain. Okay, so it's just come down for the search for the about us page. Where is it? About.html. This is it. You just click on edit. Okay, so you follow the same procedure, same process to edit. Okay, you follow the same process to edit. Okay, we don't want this to be Trustland. All right, sorry for that. Okay, so we change that to Maxtel. Okay, we change that to Maxtel Industries. Okay, right? Master Industries. Master Industries. Okay, so that's same process. Okay, you click on Control F5. Sorry, Control F. Control F. Okay, so wherever you see Trustland, replace with Master Industries. Okay, so that's how you go about it. For the same process and change all the details, okay, to your company's details. Okay, so just when something that you click on save changes. Okay, let's try to reload this. Let's reload this quickly. You can see this will change from Trustland to Maxtel because we just changed the page. Okay, so that's how you do it. It's very, very easy. For the same procedure to edit the about us page, edit the services page. Okay, the services page, edit the services page. Okay, also the footer, very, very important. Same goes for the news. The news page, you can see it's still showing Trustland. You need to edit this. Just take your time. You have to take your time and edit everything on this site. Okay, so, okay, same goes for contact us. The contact us page, same goes for the contact us page. Okay, this is still loading up. The contact us page is still coming up. Okay, so that's how you edit everything that is on this site. You can see within, is it up to 1 hour, we have been able to edit the main features on this site. Okay, so you can go ahead and design this for your clients and charge not less than 350k to design this for your clients. Okay, you can charge 350k to 500k to design a shipping site with a live track tracking feature and also a map. Okay, so This is really awesome. This is really awesome and beautiful. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'll be giving this script to you guys. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, to get access to these scripts, I'll be giving you access to the both the front end and the back end, and also the users end and administrative end. Okay, for just 30,000 naira if you're in Nigeria. Okay, and also if you're in any other country there's no Nigeria, you'll be getting these scripts for $60. Okay, you'll be getting these scripts for $60. Okay, so that's how you go about it. Okay, that's how you go about it, getting this script for $60. So check on the description link below. You see the link on how to go about the payments. Click on the link so you can make payments. Okay, once you've made payments, you'll be directed to where you'll be given access to the script. Okay, so whenever you make payments, if it's in the midnight, anytime, you'll be given access to this script, so you can go ahead and use this script for your work or for your clients. Okay, so that's how you go about it. Okay, so quickly go ahead and get in touch with me if you need any information, if you need any help, if you need any assistance, if you need any software, if you need any script, or you want us to modify this to your text, there's no problem. Just get in touch with us on the you see my number displaying on the screen below. Get in touch with me. We can do anything for you. We can assist you. If you have any question, just get in touch with me. Okay, so thank you guys and God bless. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did find this video helpful, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button for if you're a newbie, if you're a newbie to this channel, give this subscribe to the button so you don't miss out on important information. We deliver top-notch information. Okay, so you'll be the first person to receive this. Okay, so thank you guys and God bless. Okay, see you guys on the next one.